Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydrian. Dancehall artist Squash, whose real name is Andre Maurice Whitaker, has reached a plea deal in his ongoing U.S. gun case. According to sources, Squash and his defense team have indicated that he intends to plead guilty on September 3. He had been facing charges of being an alien in possession of a firearm and unlawful possession of a machine gun. The charges stemmed from a February traffic stop during which police seized 2 Glock pistols and several magazines loaded with ammunition. His attorneys had been preparing for trial, filing a motion to suppress evidence on the grounds of an alleged illegal search. Meanwhile, federal prosecutors had sought to introduce additional video and text evidence from Squash's phone, along with material from his music at trial. The court was set to rule on that matter on Tuesday. But in a dramatic turn on Monday, the hearing was cancelled after attorneys confirmed his intention to change his plea. The jury trial, scheduled to begin on the 2nd of September, has also been cancelled. Squash had until the 26th of August to enter a guilty plea or risk going to trial. If convicted, the St. James native faced up to 10 years in prison on each count, or a mandatory minimum of 15 years per charge if he had 3 or more prior convictions. At the time of Monday's filing, the details of the plea agreement had not been disclosed. Spice lights up Rotterdam Sunsplash with a tribute to Jamaica's ladies of dancehall and reggae. At Monday evening's staging of the Sunsplash in Spain, the Queen of Dancehall, who was billed as a headliner, dedicated part of her set to celebrate Jamaican women in the music industry. In an Instagram post, Spice explained that she began with reggae and closed with a tribute to women in dancehall, toasting female artists across the culture. Here's a snippet. Trinidad and Tobago Film Festival to host gala screening of film Bam Bam, the Sister Nancy Story in September. Speaking with the Prime Festival director, Mariel Brown said the selection of the film was an easy one, noting that the festival aims to celebrate the Caribbean in all its forms and that the track Bam Bam transcends borders.
Bam Bam, the song, is such an anthem of the region. You play it anywhere in the Caribbean, people will know it, recognize it, feel it. And the film really helps us learn so much more about Sister Nancy, the creator, her life and her determination as a woman on the mic. It's a kind of celebration of tenacity and Caribbean tenacity and strength and determination. We couldn't be happier to be showing it.
Director of the film, Alison Duke, expressed excitement at the selection, calling it an honor to showcase the project at the festival. The documentary, written and directed by Duke, tells the story of dancehall icon Sister Nancy and her signature 1982 hit Bam Bam, a track that continues to resonate globally, featuring in dances, commercials, and now a full-length feature documentary. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daydrin. Thank you for watching.